Hello, today we're going to look at defining video input sources for the Raven live video switching software package. And so let's just jump right in. I'll switch over to my picture-in-picture view. By the way, we actually use Raven to capture and record these videos in real time because we want to make sure that the software actually works in all the use cases for which we advertise it. So this is the real deal, folks. As you can see, I've got Raven running on my computer here, and I'm currently displaying the live controller view, but I want to see all of the video inputs that I have defined. So I'm going to simply click on that option in the left-hand column to display that tab. As you can see, I have several inputs already defined in this configuration, but I'm going to go ahead and add another one so you can see what that process looks like. Click the Add button, which produces a new line. I have to name this input, and I can name it whatever I want. I'm just going to call it Raven Screen Loopback for now. The next thing I do after naming it is define what type of video input it is. As of the recording of this video, we support 4 different types: NDI, RTSP, file, and Blackmagic deck-linked devices. Now, if you want to know how to use RTSP, file, or Blackmagic input cards, look at our knowledge base. We'll have articles about how to utilize any of those sources, but for this video I'm just going to cover how we use NDI inputs because NDI is super easy. I highly recommend it. All I had to do is click on the source field, and Raven will enumerate all of the NDI sources that are available to it on the network. Now, I'm running an NDI discovery server on my network, and we encourage you to do the same. We will have another video about how to install and configure an NDI discovery server. It just makes finding NDI sources on your network very quick, very easy. So Raven has gotten this list from the NDI discovery server, so I'm simply going to pick one of those sources, and if I want to see it, I can click the preview button, and lo and behold, there it is. As well, if I want to look at details, I can click on that button, and I can see that Raven is actually connected to it and that the source is actually outputting frames, always a good thing. You can see the current frame rate of the source. We'll cover presentation statistics and details for this particular video feed in another video when we talk about using presentation feeds. Something that is important to note is timing delay. This is so that you can time align multiple cameras. If you've used digital video for about 2 minutes, you realize that different cameras have different latencies. And so what we give you the ability to do is to either delay or slightly advance individual video sources in order to get all of them aligned from a timing perspective. So that way, when we go back to align our program audio feed to our now synchronized cameras, then we can input one value into the program audio feed and get it synced up with video. As well, there's stats about how Raven connects to this particular video source and how long it waits until it times out and has to reconnect. Anyway, that's a quick run through about how to define a video input in the Raven live video switching software package. Thanks for watching.